So there's the fast way and then what I would call the right way to wire a receptacle. The silver tabs on the left side are for the white wire, and the brass on the right side are for the black wire. These are made for speed, that you can push the wire into that hole as opposed to having to curl the wire. But this is what happens when it's in a series. So meaning in a series, we've got one group of wires coming into this receptacle, and then this is going to be a chain, so there'll be wires leaving this to the next receptacle. So if you use just that little push tab, now the only thing connecting the power to the whole series of the rest of the house is that little brass tab right there. So I prefer to go to the trouble to do this type of a connection, which screws on to there, and then the wires are pigtailed. And what that means is, for continuity, this is as if the wire is just continuing on, but there's the pigtail to run this receptacle, as opposed to running the wire just straight into these little tabs without the pigtail. Again, that little metal thin tab is conducting all the power for the whole circuit and anything that's down the line. Now, if there's a termination, such as at this box, it wouldn't be that big of a deal. There's no continuation onto another circuit, so these could be attached directly there and there's no loss of power.